Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you an A7 alternative open chord. Really fun chord to play, especially when you're playing the blues. It's good to add in the mix. So a seventh chord, or dominant seventh chord, is made up of your first, third, fifth, and seventh flatted. So the A7th chord is made up of A, C sharp, E, and G. And for this alternative version open chord, this is what it looks like and sounds like. And let me break this down for you and how to play it. Now I'm just gonna play that sixth string open because when I'm jamming away, it's kind of fun to play all those strings when you're playing open chords. And the E string is in the A7th chord. So I'm gonna play that open E in the sixth string. Then I'm gonna play that open A on the fifth string. Then with my middle finger, I'm going to come to the fourth string, seventh fret, and play that A note. Then I'm going to go to the third string, sixth fret, with my index finger and play that C sharp. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the eighth fret of the second string and play that G. Then on the first string, I'm just going to play that open E. And when you put them all together, it sounds and looks like this. And don't forget to work on those notes individually so you get a nice clean sound. Again, that's an A7 alternative open chord added to the routine. Keep on jamming.